Hello, How To Bob here, and I made this video to show you how to change the wiper blades. Most wiper blades go on and off the same way on each manufacturer's car. So it's simply pull the wiper blade up, and there's a little tab right here on the wiper blade. You push that in and slide the blade downward with the tab pushed in, and you'll see there's a little hook on the wiper arm. This is the tab I was talking about right there, and it's spring loaded, so to speak. And the new one looks a little different. This is the spring loaded side. Simply push it over top of the wiper arm and slide it up until it clicks into place, and then you can make sure the wiper swivels back and forth and lay it down on the car. Let's try it on a different vehicle here. Pretty much the same thing. Press the tab in, slide the wiper blade down, and take it off the hook of the wiper arm. You can see there's the same kind of hook tab here, and the new one with the clipped on side here. Push it through the wiper arm and then slide it up. On both the driver and passenger side will be the same, and your wiper arm may or may not come up as high as this one in the video. Some of them do not come all the way up on some vehicles, but the procedure is about the same for all vehicles and both the passenger and the driver's side wipers. So this is how you replace the wiper blades on a vehicle. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm How To Bob. As always, thanks for watching.